Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this delicious spicy crab fry, so keep on watching. Now to prepare the marinade, add some salt according to your taste. I've taken 2 teaspoons of salt. To that add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder and some garlic powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well and add 1 teaspoon of oil into it and a little bit of water to make it a thick paste. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now mix it well and make a paste. Here I have around 500 grams of washed, cleaned and cut crabs. Now mix it well in the marinade. Make sure that all the pieces are well coated with the masala. Marinate it for at least 20 minutes and you can refrigerate it. Now when it's time to fry, in a frying pan or a wok, add some oil, and when the oil is warm enough, add the crab pieces one by one. Cook on a medium heat for around 3 to 5 minutes and then flip over the crabs. Add a handful of curry leaves into the oil. This gives a nice flavor to the oil and to the crab. Now cook it for 3 to 5 minutes more and flip it once again. And once everything is well cooked, you can drain it onto a paper towel. So here our spicy crab fry is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos and until next time, bye bye.